Om Sri Matre Namaha. Welcome to today's sloka. Today's sloka is a morning prayer to Mother Earth, Bhudevi, asking for forgiveness before stepping on her. Samudra Vasane Devi, Parvatastana Mandale, Vishnu Patni Namastubhyam, Padasparsham Kshamasvame. Samudra Vasane Devi, Parvatasthanamandale, Vishnu Patni Namastubhyam, Padasparsham Kshamasvame. Meaning of the shloka. Samudra Vasane Devi, the one who wears the ocean as her clothing. Parvatasthanamandale, O Devi, you have mountains as your bosom. Vishnu Patni, the divine wife of Lord Vishnu. Namastubhyam, I bow to you. Padasparsham Kshamasvame, please forgive me for touching you with my feet. Namaste.